Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to screen capture on your iPhone. Now you must have iOS 12 or later to access this feature. So go ahead, open Settings, then scroll down to Control Center. Click Control Center, click Customize Controls, then scroll down to here, Screen Recording, and click the plus button. Boom. Now it's added here. Now let's back out, back out, back out. And now we're going to swipe down on the top right-hand corner of the phone, and we can see that here at the bottom, we have a little recording icon because I started recording before I did that. Now you do a long hold on it to see where the video is going and to stop the recording. You can also stop the recording at any time by tapping this red icon up here.